Dear students, today in quantum mechanics we are trying to solve some numerical problems based on Schrodinger wave equation. Question number 1. A particle is moving in one-dimensional potential box of infinite height of width 25 angstrom. Calculate the probability of finding the particle within an interval of 5 angstrom at the center of the box when it is in its state of least energy. Solution. So we have imagined this potential box whose length is L, that is 25 angstrom, which is given in the question. It is the center where x is equal to L by 2, and this is the interval of 5 angstrom dx. So our aim is to find the probability of the particle to be occurring in this interval. We know that the wave function of the particle is given by psi is equal to under root 2 upon L sin n pi x upon L, equation number 1. For the particle in the least energy state, taking n is equal to 1. So this equation number 1 becomes psi is equal to under root 2 upon L sin pi x upon L, equation number 2. At the center of the box, x is equal to L by 2. Then the probability of finding the particle in the interval dx given by p is equal to mod psi square dx, equation number 3, using equation number 2. Mod psi square is equal to under root 2 upon L sin pi, or at the center x is equal to L by 2 and upon L whole square. It comes out to be 2 upon L, since L is cancelled by L and sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. And dx is equal to 5 angstrom is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. L is equal to 25 angstrom is equal to 25 into 10 to the power 10 meter. Then from equation number 3, probability P is equal to 2 upon L into 5 into 10 to the power minus 10. 2 upon L, L is 25 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter into 5 into 10 to the power minus 10, which comes out to be 0.4. It is the answer. Next question. A particle is in motion along a line x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a with 0 potential energy. At points for which x is less than 0 and x is greater than a, the potential energy is infinite. The wave function for the particle in the nth state is given by psi n is equal to a sin n pi x upon a. Find the expression for the normalized wave function. So यहाँ पर ये बात बता दूं कि इस दिए हुए फंक्शन में अगर a की वैल्यू हम लगा देंगे तो यही वेव फंक्शन नॉर्मलाइज्ड वेव फंक्शन हो जाएगा. द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ पार्टिकल बिटवीन x एंड x प्लस dx फॉर nth स्टेट इज गिवन बाई p इज इक्वल टू मॉड साई n स्क्वायर dx इज इक्वल टू a साइन n पाई x अपॉन a whole square dx is equal to a square sin square n pi x upon a dx. Since the particle is found in the region x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a for all times, we have probability from integration from 0 to a mod psi n square dx is equal to 1. It is the total probability of finding the particle. Or integration 0 to a square sin square n pi x upon a dx is equal to 1. So we can have this solution, that is the integration process. We find here a square upon 2 into small a is equal to 1, and finally we get the value of capital A is equal to under root 2 upon a. Hence, the normalized wave function is psi n is equal to 2 under root 2 upon a sin n pi x upon a. It is the answer. Next question, find the energy of an electron moving in one dimension in an infinitely high potential box of width 1 angstrom. Given mass of electron 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 kilogram and H is equal to 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. We know that energy of the particle confined in a box is given by E is equal to n square h square upon 8 ml square, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot. For least energy of the particle, n is equal to 1. Therefore, E is equal to h square upon 8 ml square, that is 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 whole square upon 8 into mass 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 or L 1 angstrom 1 into 10 to the power minus 10 whole square. So it comes out to be 6.03 into 10 to the power minus 18 joule, and in electron volt it is divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, and finally we get this result E is equal to 37.7 electron volt. And we have two unsolved problems also. Question number 4 as unsolved. Calculate the energy difference between the ground state and first excited state for an electron in one dimensional rigid box of length 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. Mass of electron is equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kilogram, and H is equal to 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Next question, unsolved. Find the probability that a particle trapped in a box 1 wide can be found between 0.45 L and 0.55 L for the ground state and first excited state. Thank you so much.